You own a Formula One team. Your colors, your badge, your anthem on the podium. Global cameras point at you. Sponsors queue for space. Drivers fight to race it. You skim the pit wall. Radios crackle in your ear. Strategy glory. But this dream hides a maze. Politics, budgets, factories, freight, people. We'll build one from nothing and count every pound you burn. Ready to own it? Let's see what it really costs. Let's start with your first decision. You face two paths. Apply as a new team. Pay an anti-dilution fee. Likely rising to 400 stus soon. And still risk rejection. Or buy an existing team. Today's valuations shock you. Midfield outfits selling 700 meaty pools. Top teams worth even more. You want a real shot, so you buy control of a struggler for ATOM all-in equity. It comes with a factory, a wind tunnel license, a car IP and staff contracts, and a huge to-do list. Let's turn it into a business. You rebrand the team. New name, new livery, new feel. Brand and livery design. A fresh website and app. Merchandise store setup. Hospitality kit for guests. You check the Concord agreement and sort supplier deals. You choose a power unit. Customer engine supply 15 meaty 20 meaty per season. Gearbox and rear suspension to 10 meaty. Tire supply fee. Fuel and lubricants deal. Cash or value in kind. Upgrade the wind tunnel, TWMS. Buy a driver and loop simulator. ERP and PLM systems. Refit composite shops. Sustainability program to placate boards. FIA entry fees, 500 plus base. Crash test and homologation. Now you need people to run it. Let's meet your team next. You need leaders, team principal, technical director, sporting director, chief financial officer. You need builders, aerodynamicists, designers, CFD specialists, wind tunnel techs, composite laminators, machinists. You need racers, race engineers, performance engineers, mechanics, pit crew, strategists, simulator drivers. You need the backbone, HR, procurement, communications, content, hospitality, truckies, cleaners. A modern team is 800 to 1,000 people. Payroll 120 million yearly. Bonuses and incentives. Travel and hotels. Training and safety. Tools and PPE. Visas and per diems. Pit stop practice rig. Now you need customers to pay for it. Let's go find them. Your customers aren't race fans. They're sponsors and partners, and hospitality guests, and sometimes governments. Fixed costs burn regardless. Your monthly burn is his purse early on. You pitch for naming rights. A title deal, 20 million. Primary partners, it's each. Secondary logos in what pounds. Technical partners, trade parts and services. Drivers can bring backing to a to home. You sell VIP hospitality, race day suites per guest. You build a B2B pipeline, co-branded campaigns and content. Merch margins add a trickle. You compete with 9 teams in football and tech shows. So what really makes it work? Let's open the real model. The headline sponsor is the invitation. The profit hides in activation. B2B deals between partners. P-days at your HQ. Hot laps and simulator sessions. Content rights and licensing. Data and tech storytelling. And prize money. F1's prize pool is big, 800 meaty pound. Finish higher, get more. A midfield 7th might net 60 meaty pounds. Top 3 can see 120 spieling. Historic bonuses still exist. Budget cap is your friend. Spend inside the cap, 105 to 550 million. Exclude drivers and top executives. And most marketing and hospitality. If revenue tops 200 million, you can break even or profit. The kicker is valuation. If you improve performance, your exit price jumps. But first, survive the bills. Let's count them properly. Your biggest expense is people. Payroll you already saw. Then engines each season 15 me between. Freight and travel 10 me. Factory energy. Rent or mortgage. Insurance. Materials, carbon and metals. Aero rigs and testing their times. CNC upkeep. IT and servers. Simulator operations. Hospitality travel. Entry fees vary by points. Crash damage 5 me. Personal swings wildly. Driver's salaries 5. Senior leadership 5 means. Marketing and content. Legal and compliance. Contingency reserve. You track cap versus non-cap spend. Miss it and you're penalized. Next, the days you can't work at all. FIA mandates a summer shutdown. Factory closed for 14 days. No design, no manufacturing. Power unit suppliers shut longer. You still pay salaries and rent and security. Wind tunnel hours are rationed. CFD is limited by rules. There's also a winter quiet. No testing outside tight windows. Sponsors want content anyway. You plan around the stoppage. But some hits are unavoidable. And when it rains, it pours. Let's talk about bad days. Weather cancels running. Freight misses a connection. Parts sit in customs. A driver bins it in qualifying. Double DNF writes off plus overnight. A regulation change resets you. Your cap modeling is wrong. You overspend, get penalized. A main sponsor walks. The engine supplier exits. Currencies swing against you. Debt costs jump with rates. Recession cuts marketing budgets. Key staff poached mid-season. Driver injured on a Tuesday. Insurance helps, but not fully. You build buffers and backups. You survive by planning. So is all this worth it? Let's weigh it honestly. This is brutal, expensive sport. Capital up front, burn always. Margins are thin at the back. Prize money rewards the front. History gets bonuses you don't. Manufacturers bring engines and heft. The big players win by scale. But there's a path for you. Own your story and niche. Be ruthless on operations. Target midfield, then climb. Lock in long-term partners. Invest in people and tools. Use the cap to stay disciplined. Make money off track too. And watch valuation grow. If you love the grind, and you can wait years, it can be worth it. Would you still buy the team? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe for more builds. Next time we'll try MotoGP. Same dream, very different numbers. Let's run them next.